This video is a treat for all you guys who want to get into the Light Elegance brand. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video sponsored by Light Elegance. My name is Celina Rydén. I have been doing nails since 2005, and on top of that I'm also an international educator for Light Elegance. And in this video I want to share a brand new product with you, and it's super exciting, especially if you are looking into getting into Light Elegance and all the amazing goodies that they have. Let's say hi to the Come On Over kit. And here you got pretty much everything you need to get started with Light Elegance. So without further ado, let's just dig right into these goodies right here. Let's start off with a quick look of the box itself. As you can see, we got a lot of goodies in here, and it's also divided into different sections if you look at the color blocks behind the products, so you know when to use what. There's even a code for you to scan that will take you to more instruction videos on how to use this kit. If you are brand new to Light Elegance, this is a must. They have done all the planning and thinking for you so that you can start making nails straight after opening this box. The products in this Come On Over kit is also carefully selected so that you won't feel overwhelmed when looking at all the different choices that Light Elegance offer. In this video, we'll go over all the products you get in the kit, and I'll also show you how to use them. So let's start with a quick overview of what we got in here. First, we got the JimmyGel, Tack, and Super Shiny. For colors, Rosy Posy, Tiny Diamond, and Flamingo. And for hard gels, Ideal Pink Builder and Extreme. Then we got the outstanding Light Elegance Cleanser, the famous No Fuss Wipes, and the forms that I cannot live without. We also got the Light Elegance Cuticle Oil and the award-winning Gel Polish Bling Brush that has been featured in numerous magazines. Now let's dive a little bit deeper into the products. Rosy Posy is one of Light Elegance's best sellers and a personal favorite of mine. It's a hard gel and it has to be filed off. Flamingo Buttercream is that happy baby pink and is also a hard gel that has to be filed off. However, the viscosity is very different from the color gels and applies super thin on top of a finished filed nail. If you are the slightest familiar with Light Elegance, you have probably heard people talking about Diamond. This is Tiny Diamond Glitter Gel and is also a hard gel that has to be filed off. JimmyGel took the world by storm when first arriving and quickly became a nail tech favorite. A soak of builder gel in a bottle, which allows you to base, sculpt short extensions and build with, and it can be soaked off. Kind of like a soft gel acting like a hard gel. Tack is our base product and no one should live without it. And it kind of works like a double-sided sticky tape. One side sticks to the nail and the other to the gel. Another famous Light Elegance product is the Super Shiny, an amazing top product that will not scratch and will stay shiny until the next appointment. It's also perfect for hairdressers as the Super Shiny is pigment resistant. Ideal Pink Builder is a hard gel and is the perfect pink to use for nail bed extensions, for example, and it's a builder gel, which means that it's a high viscosity gel and you won't have to rush 1 second. It will stay where you put it. This is also a hard gel and it has to be filed off. Extreme is a great starting gel if you don't know which type of viscosity you like to work with when it comes to clear hard gels. It's a medium viscosity, so it will stay where you put it, but it will also self-level a little bit to help you out. This is also a hard gel and has to be filed off. The Light Elegance Cuticle Oil is like nutrition for the nails and skin. It contains tea tree oil, which helps healing cuts or damages to the skin, but also adds moisture to the natural nail. The Light Elegance Cleanser contains alcohol and a little bit of acetone that will remove oils and bacteria from the natural nail and the sticky layer from the cured gel products. The LE forms are very special and actually has metal in them to make them even more sturdy and easy to work with, and has that perfect amount of stickiness. If you haven't tried out the Light Elegance wipes yet, prepare for heaven. These are 100% fuss-free and will save you a ton of headaches. The Gel Polish Bling Brush has the perfect shape to make your color application feel like a breeze. There's definitely a reason why this brush keeps getting awards every year as one of the top favorite brushes on the nail market. And so I think we are ready to get into the demos. So before this, of course, you prep the nail and use the cleanser to dehydrate the nail plate and also remove any oils and bacteria. Then we apply tack to all 10 fingers and cure for 30 seconds in an LED light or 2 minutes in a UV light. You want to apply this fairly thin and kind of scrub it into the nail. Now we can apply the form, and for this video I am going to create a pointy nail, and we are going to use the extreme hard gel to sculpt our extension with. And I'm also of course using the Gel Polish Bling Brush for that. The extreme gel cures also for 30 seconds in LED and 2 minutes in UV. Time to remove the form and wiggle wiggle. And then we start to apply our second layer with the extreme going over the entire nail, starting from the cuticle area all the way to the tip of the nail. Cure that once again, and then use the cleanser together with the wipes to remove that tacky layer. Using the Lexi file 100/180 to shape the extension and also thin the extension out to make it as thin as possible. And the nice thing with Extreme is that it's actually one of the clearest gels that we have, so this is perfect for glass effects. Finishing off with the buffer to smooth the surface out, and then of course using the wipes and the cleanser to get all the dust out. So now we are going to create the nail bed extension, and for that I'm going to use the Ideal Pink Builder. And I'm creating my little wall around the smile line and then just fading it back so I don't get bulkiness around the cuticle. I cure this layer for 30 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV, and then I go in one more time and I start making it a little bit thicker. So now I am going to start building up the full body of the nail. Curing again, cleansing, and now going in with the same file and starting to cut that smile line out to make it sharp and crisp. After that, I finish off by filing the pink and getting ready to apply the color. So here I'm going in with Rosy Posy, and I am making sure that I apply that all the way up to that pink wall and also a little bit above it to make sure that it is nice and tight and snug. Curing that for 30 seconds in LED and 2 minutes in UV, and now it is time for the glitter. So I am taking the tiny diamond and I am trying to get more tiny diamond around the smile line area, and then I kind of fade it down out to the tip. Curing again for 30 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV, and now I am taking my extreme hard gel and I am filling out that gap between the pink and the color and the glitter to make sure that I got a full nice structure of the nail. When I'm happy with the shape, I cure, cleanse, and then go in and start to shaping those two parts together. And this is also the part where all the magic starts to happen and your clients will go ooh and ah. When you're happy with your shape, make sure to use the wipes and the cleanser to get all the dust out before applying your super shiny. Cure for 1 minute in LED or 2 minutes in UV, cleanse, and you are ready for the party. The second demo is to show you how to use the JimmyGel and create a natural short nail overlay. If you want this nail to last longer, then you apply tack underneath. But if you want to be able to soak this off, then skip tack and just go straight to the JimmyGel after your prep. Cure for 1 minute in LED or 2 minutes in UV, and then move straight on to your buttercream. If you feel like you have a hard time curing the buttercream, if you have lifting or chipping with the buttercream, You can avoid that by removing the tacky layer from the JimmyGel and buffing before applying the color gel. But if you don't have any problems with that, just go straight ahead and continue with the buttercream. Cure that for 30 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV, and then we are moving on to the fun part, the glitter. Now remember, the buttercream and the glitter gel are hard gels, which means that you can't soak them off. So if you want to soak this nail off, you would have to file the buttercream and the glitter gel first and then soak the JimmyGel. After applying the super shiny, you cure that as usual. You cleanse, of course, and there's your nail. For the third demo, I want to show you how to create a hard gel overlay using the sandwich technique. Here I've started to apply my base layer using the extreme, and then curing that for 30 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV. And here is the first part of the sandwich. So here I'm going in with Rosy Posy and applying that to the entire nail, curing that for 30 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV. After that, I take my extreme once again and start to build up the nail and the structure. Curing as usual, cleansing, and then going in with my Lexi file and shaping. Make sure to use the wipes and a cleanser to get all the dust out of the nail, and then we move on to the third layer of the sandwich. Well, it's the second layer of the color, and we're applying that as usual, but maybe a little bit thinner. This way you'll get a nice thin nail, but still the full opacity of the color. And when you're happy with the application, just cure that for 30 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV. And then we of course need to go in with our fantastic super shiny. And there you have all 3 designs and techniques. So you can create all this with just one single box. Pretty cool. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you got a better idea what's in this fantastic kit. So you can get this at lightelegance.com and with all our distributors worldwide. And I guess that's all that's left for me to say is welcome to the Light Elegance family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.